Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M05 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect pin entered. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume down and power button together. Press and hold it until the phone restart. Press and hold it. Now release. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now release. And you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm. And you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All data on this device will be erased. If your SD card is encrypted, all data stored on your SD card will also be lost. Now after it, go to factory data reset and confirm. And here you can see data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after a hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after a hard reset, if it again asks for password, pin or pattern, use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Samsung Galaxy M05 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.